And the Electricity Distribution Company says it is dedicated to ensuring reliable power supply to its customers within the area under its jurisdiction. Mrs. Ricky Amomo, Acting Managing Director of EKEDC, gave the assurance during a town hall meeting at Tax Customers Consultative Forum in Ajah area of the state. Representing the MD CEO of the distribution company was the Chief Financial Officer of the company, Mr. Joseph Esenwa, who reiterated the company's commitment to invest and improve infrastructure across the network coverage areas. He added that the consultative platform had become a veritable avenue to identify challenges of customers and provide immediate solutions to these challenges.
One key thing, when you talk about achievements, the most important thing is how does it impact on the system or on the people. If you observe, there's been a remarkable improvement in power supply, and it's born out of a couple of things. The infrastructures that we're trying to upgrade, or we've upgraded, let me use the word upgraded, and also ability to take on more power from the grid. When it comes to bills, there are two factors: the price and the quantity. If the supply has improved, naturally there will be an improvement in the quantity, which also impacts on what people get. So there is an improvement, let's put it that way. Simply, there is an improvement.
To drive the nation's maritime progress, the Shipping Correspondents Association of Nigeria has emphasized the need for continuous development of dock workers across the nation's ports. This was the focus of discussions at the 2024 Dock Workers Celebration, where speakers highlighted the critical role of capacity building in a fast-evolving, technology-driven maritime sector. TVC News Senior Business Correspondent Ifunanya Eze reports.
The Dock Workers Celebration is a tribute to the essential contributions dock workers make to the maritime industry. The event saw high-profile attendance, including representatives from the Ministry of Marine and Blue Economy, various port agencies, and other key stakeholders. Speakers throughout the event underscored the vital role dock workers play in facilitating international trade.
Your dedication to the cause of the industry ensures the seamless operations of our ports and the steady flow of goods essential for national trade and prosperity. By facilitating smooth handling of cargo, you are instrumental to boosting international trade, contributing significantly to the Nigerians' GDP and attracting foreign investment.
That is one other good side of port reform. They are getting the very best, but they aren't there yet. There is still a lot that needs to be done, particularly in terms of their training, exposure, and remuneration.
Emphasis was placed on the importance of continuous training and prioritizing investments in the welfare of dock workers to ensure their efficiency.
We need to enhance their welfare, and we should continue to invest in their training and in safety standards to ensure that their productivity improves and that our port is made more and more competitive.
It is important that we pay a lot of attention to their welfare services, to their training, how we can, actually improve their working conditions, how we can improve, how they do their work and make it a seamless process for them.
If you don't train me, how do I perform? How do I work? And they have gotten an opportunity to train us to a standard where we are today. So ours is to make sure that this training, this will expand it, not only the headman, including the port workers at the various terminals.
The Shipping Correspondents Association of Nigeria was applauded for championing the interests of dock workers and fostering greater collaboration within the maritime sector. Ifunanya Eze, TVC News, Lagos.
As part of its corporate social responsibility, UBA Foundation, an arm of the United Bank for Africa PLC, is fronting itself as Africa's green revolution, advocating for climate action and a greener future for a sustainable, friendly environment. This is part of the foundation's bold move to champion environmental sustainability across the African continent by embarking on the 2024 tree planting campaign with theme Our Land, Grooming a Greener Future, and a commitment to plant 1 million trees across Africa by 2025. UBA's Group Managing Director, Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Oliver Alawuba, while speaking during the flag-off of the tree planting exercise at the UBA Foundation Garden in Marina, Lagos, said this year's edition reinforced the bank's unwavering commitment to sustainability, adding that it goes beyond the core values and focuses on the welfare of communities and the planet as a whole. On her part, the Managing Director, Chief Executive of the UBA Foundation, Bola Atta, she explained that trees planted represent more than just a symbolic gesture, but a powerful agent of change in the fight against climate change. Weekend deals at the stock market heat up higher, figures following renewed interest in the market by fund managers. Effiong Ekop reports. We'll be back.